Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today, meron tayong i-unbox and tutorial na rin an automatic toothpaste squeezing device. Ang inclusion ng item na ito is toothbrush dispenser, toothpaste dispenser, and double-sided tape. Our tutorial starts here. So first thing to do is to open the toothpaste squeezing device. And ayan, sa front back, meron tayong makikitang ganito. Apat siya na parang closed part niya. At ayan, yan yung i-open nyo. Medyo na-struggle ako kasi naka-lock masyado yung sa baba na part. But then, here we go. Ayan, na-open. Ito yung itsura niya inside. Actually, merong tutorial sa box nitong item na to. But then, pa rin siya kung paano ilagay. So, ang tip ko sa inyo guys is kunin nyo talaga to na tinatawag na to para hindi ganun ka-hassle yung paglagay natin ng toothpaste. For putting the toothpaste tube in the pump, kailangan nyo muna ibaba yung paste para hindi maging makalat upon installing the item. Ready na yung toothpaste nyo. Ayan, that's the time na i-twist ang tip nito sa pump. Ayan, i-twist nyo lang hanggang aabot talaga sa dulo ng ulo ng toothpaste tube ninyo. Maging madali yung pag-install ng pump nyo sa dispenser, kailangan sundan nyo itong arrow. Kailangan nyo talagang i-align yan para hindi maging hassle yung pag-install ninyo. Gently squeeze the toothpaste tube until the toothpaste dispenses from the pump and be sure to squeeze until toothpaste appear. Clean off any toothpaste that may have fallen onto the lever. So ayan, binalik ko na yung cover ng unit. Is ready to use na.
But now, yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night? Yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough.
Tape. Then, tanggalin lang natin yung cover part at then, ito yung tanggalin nyo guys. Maging madali yung process ng pag-change nyo ng new toothpaste sa inyong dispenser. Tanggalin nyo lang yung toothpaste tube nya sa pump at this part no, natanggal ko, na-divide talaga yung pump. Which is, na-discover ko na good thing na rin para maging malinis talaga yung inside nya. Pasan lang ito ng tubig and then para matanggal talaga yung mga naiwan na mga toothpaste at ibalik sa dating ayos. If you're also interested in this item, ilagay ko na lang sa comment section at it's only 49 pesos in Shopee.